Okay, so thyroid gland சொல்லும்போது when we talk about thyroid gland, location. Okay, first one, let's see about the origin, because origin is also important. So origin of thyroid gland, if you want to know, so origin is endodermal origin of the 3 layer is endodermal origin, or this is endoderm. சரியா, endoderm origin இருக்கும். லொகேஷன் எங்க இருக்கும்? லொகேஷன் it's anterior, right, anterior to the thyroid cartilage. இல்லையா, thyroid cartilage க்கு மேல இருக்கும் இல்லையா. So anterior to the thyroid cartilage. Location important. Anterior to the thyroid cartilage. Right, thyroid cartilage of the larynx. Okay. Okay, next is that the thyroid gland is bilobed structure, rendu lobe irukum, right? So this may be the right lobe and this is the left lobe, right? So thyroid gland has 2 lobes, right lobe and left lobe, and these 2 lobes of the thyroid gland is connected through a small structure that connects it, and that structure is called isthmus, right? So isthmus connects the thyroid gland, 2 lobes of thyroid gland. Okay, isthmus connects the 2 lobes of thyroid gland. Okay, then let's see its TS. So thyroid glands are actually made up of thyroid follicles, right? So let's see the thyroid follicles. Okay, so this is the TS of thyroid follicles, and thyroid follicles are composed of cubical epithelial cells, or they are composed of thyroid follicles are composed of cubical epithelial cells. Okay, okay, so basically if you see that there are follicular cells irukku, right? Follicular cells, let me change the color. Okay, so here you can see that there are follicle cells, right? These whole, yeah, these are follicle cells. They are attached to one another. This structure right? And what they do is that they secrete thyroxine, right? They secrete thyroxine, which is stored inside the stoma. Sorry, as colloid on the stora illa irukum, right? So see here is given the colloid irukku illaya, inga secrete ஆகி உள்ள வந்து கிடக்கும். Okay, Okay, so important for you is that the thyroxine is made by follicular cells. Yeah, follicular cells are important making thyroxine. Okay, so follicular cells, they make the thyroxine. They are the one that makes thyroxine, right? And which is stored as colloid. Yeah, stored as colloid. Thyroxine is stored as colloid. Stored as colloids. And how long do you think that these hormone can be stored? It can be stored approximately for 2 months. Store panna mudiyum. They can be stored even for 2 months. So as the cells, the follicular cells, they keep on making thyroxine and they store them for approximately 2 months. 2 months varaikkum store panna mudiyum. And when there's a requirement, they are released out. Release okay, so that was one of the cell, that is follicular cell. And second is parafollicular cells, also known as C cells. And these parafollicular cells or C cells are involved in production of thyrocalcitonin. They produce thyrocalcitonin. And this thyrocalcitonin is involved in calcium regulation, or we can say that it's involved in blood calcium regulation. Detail நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Involved in blood calcium regulation. blood calcium regulate பண்ணும். Okay. Other thing enna kuduthirukena, blood capillaries which provide them with oxygen and nutrient. Blood capillaries provide pannum. And of course RBCs irukum illaya, RBC job vandu to transport oxygen. So irukum. So what are the main thing you have to remember, that the thyroid composed of two major cells. One is follicular cells. And follicular cells are involved in making thyroxine. And thyroxine solomother, we already spoke that thyroxine is T3 and T4. That is made by follicular cell. They are stored as colloid. Colloidostoma vandu colloid store agum. The other hormone is thyrocalcitonin, which is made by parafollicular cells, also known as C cells. Okay, then next, so hormones of the thyroid, like I told you that the thyroid makes 3 hormones, so one of the hormone is, or the 2 hormones is triiodothyronin and tetraiodothyronin. And they together they are known as thyroxine. Okay, together we call them thyroxine. Okay, so T3 or triiodothyronin is made up of 3 molecules of iodine, whereas T4 is made up of 4 molecules of iodine. it's made up of 4 molecules of iodine. Okay, if you try to understand their regulation, சரி regulation புரிய ட்ரை பண்ணோம்னா, let's see regulation. சரியா? So regulation சொன்னோம்னா, we have TRH, which is a releasing hormone. It is produced by hypothalamus, and this TRH triggers the pituitary to release thyroid stimulating hormone, also known as thyrotropin. சரியா? thyrotropin release பண்ணதுக்கு வந்து trigger பண்ணும், and thyrotropin, when it is released, so thyrotropin goes and asks the thyroid to release the thyroxine. சரியா? so thyroxine can be released as T4 or T3. சரியா? T4 and T3 ரெண்டுமாவே வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆகும். but T3 is more potent than T4. okay, the releasing quantity பார்த்தோம்னா T3 வந்து குறைவாகவும் T4 வந்து அதிகமாகவும் ரிலீஸ் ஆகும். ரைட்டா? so T3 is active, they are active in the tissue. T4 goes to the liver and kidney. சரி, லிவர்லயும் கிட்னிலயும் வந்து T4 gets converted into T3 இல்லையா? liver and kidney இல்லையா? லிவர்லயும் நடக்கும், அதே மாதிரி கிட்னிலயும் நடக்கும். சரியா? so deiodinization வந்து நடக்கும். சரியா? removal of iodine இல்லையா? so ஒரு iodine வந்து இங்க ரிலீஸ் ஆயிரும், this goes out, iodine வெளியே வந்துடும். so T4 becomes T3, and then T3, I already told you that they are more potent and active thyroxine, so they play their role. okay, so higher quantity of T4 if it's released more than the required quantity, they act as a feedback inhibition வந்து பண்ணும். சரி, feedback inhibition வந்து T4 என்ன பண்ணும்னா, it goes to the pituitary and stops the secretion of TSH secretion stop பண்ணும். அதே மாதிரி it goes to hypothalamus and TRH உடைய secretion வந்து stop பண்ணும். so TRH stop ஆச்சுன்னா, if TRH production is stopped, then there will be no one to initiate TSH production. so TSH production irukadu. so TSH production illena, thyroid is not going to secrete out T3 T4 இல்லையா? so important point என்னன்னா, TSH triggers secretion of T3 and T4, not synthesis of T3 and T4 இல்லையா? T3 T4 synthesis நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும், and it is stored. if TSH is there, it will be released in the blood. if TSH is not there, it is stored as such. okay, so idu ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க that T3 is more potent. T3 is more potent than T4. okay, point 1. point 2, T4 க்கு ரெண்டு ரோல் இருக்கு. T4 act as a feedback inhibitionல ஏதோ ரோல் இருக்கு, feedback inhibition. right, it goes to the hypothalamus and pituitary, ரெண்டுலயும் வந்து பண்ணும் இல்லையா? hypothalamus and pituitary ரெண்டு ஆர்கன்லயும் it goes and tell them that don't make, if it goes to hypothalamus, tell them that no, don't make please TRH, and if it goes to pituitary, it say don't make TSH. that's one of the job. the other job is T4 gets converted into T3 yeah, T4 gets converted into T3 எங்க? liverலயும் and kidneyலயும் நடக்கும். ரைட்டா? so question எப்படி இருக்கலாம்னா, deiodinization of triiodothyronine எங்க நடக்கும்? ரைட்டா? it happens in liver and kidney. அயோடினைசேஷன் எங்கே நடக்கும்? அயோடினைசேஷன் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் இன் தைராய்டு கிளாண்ட். இல்லையா, தைராய்டில் அயோடினைசேஷன் நடக்கும். டீஅயோடினைசேஷன் வந்து கிட்னி அண்ட் லிவரில் நடக்கும். கிட்னி அண்ட் லிவரில் மட்டும் கிடையாது, பட் மேஜர் job happens in liver and kidney. Okay, so that's why kidney and liver are important with respect to thyroid. Okay, and I already told you that the thyroxine is made by attaching. Yeah, thyroxine kuda vandu thyroxine, right? So we have thyroxine. If you attach 3-iodine, it becomes triiodothyronine or T3. Right? If you attach 4, it becomes tetraiodothyronine. Okay, so thyroxine with 4 is tetraiodothyronine, thyroxine with 3 is triiodothyronine. Okay, T3 and T4. Source amino acid, and they are amino acid derivative. Yeah, so adonu nya vechukonu. So they are tyrosine derivatives. Right, they are tyrosine derivatives. Yeah, so tyrosine plus iodine. Okay, then let's see its physiological role. So physiological role enna irukum? So point 1 வந்து they are important for maintaining basal metabolic rate. They maintain basal metabolic rate. சரியா? So metabolism maintain பண்றதுக்கு thyroxine is very very important. Right? Then they are involved in thermogenesis, important for thermogenesis. Right, and that means important for, or they maintains body temperature, maintain பண்ணும், or they are important for maintaining body temperature. Okay, they are important for protein synthesis, so they are involved in growth, of the individual. Okay, then important for mental development, right? So if they are in hypersecretion, that means the person will be mentally retarded. So yeah, so mental development important ah irukku. And important for enhancing the effect of adrenaline and noradrenaline. Noradrenaline. Okay. Okay, so next is calcitonin. Wait, and like we already saw that calcitonin is provided by C cells, wait, or parafollicular cells. So thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin, same hormone. Thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin, both are same hormone. Okay, they are produced by parafollicular cells. Produced by parafollicular cells or C cells of the thyroid gland. Right, so function enna, they decreases blood calcium level, right, and they mobilizes the blood calcium to the bones, right, and they causes mineralization of bone. Okay, and they suppress release of calcium from the bone, or in a way you can say that they suppress demineralization of the bone, or suppress demineralization of the bone. Of the bone. So bone would demineralization வந்து inhibit பண்ணும். That means it increases bone strength, bone density increase பண்ணும். சரியா, and it suppresses demineralization. Okay, so they are important for calcium, blood calcium metabolism. சரியா, அதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Thyrocalcitonin is important for blood calcium metabolism. Right, important for blood calcium metabolism. Or blood calcium regulation. ரெகுலேஷனுக்கு வந்து இன்னும் ஒரு பேராதைராய்டு ஹார்மோனும் தேவை. நம்ம பேராதைராய்டு ஹார்மோன் முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் how parathyroid hormone and calcitonin are involved in maintaining blood calcium level நம்ம பார்ப்போம். homeostasis of blood calcium level எப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். So after finishing parathyroid gland. Okay, Okay, apart from that, இது நம்ம பாடியில் நடக்க ப்ராசஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம பேசினது சரியா. ஸோ சம்டைம் இன்னொரு கொஷின் கேட்பாங்க, ஸோ சம்டைம் வரும், அதனால இன்னும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. தட் யூனோ டேட்போல், ஃப்ராகுடைய ஏர்லி ஸ்டேஜ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இட்ஸ் டேட்போல் இல்லையா, இது இப்படி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, தே ஹேவ் அ டெயில் ரைட்டா. ஸோ இந்த டேட்போலில் வந்து இந்த டெயில் இருக்கு இல்லையா, டெயில் டீஜெனரேஷன் ஆர் அப்போட்டோசிஸ் ஆஃப் ஆர் செல் டெத் ஆஃப் தி டெயில் செல்ஸோட டெத் இருக்கு இல்லையா, தட் ஆல்சோ காசஸ் பை thyroxine சரியா. ஸோ thyroxine is helpful in metamorphosis of tadpole into frog இல்லையா. tadpole வந்து ஃப்ராகாக மாற்றுறதுலேயே வந்து thyroxine, எதோட thyroxine, ஃப்ராகோட thyroxine சரியா, is important. frog, okay, tadpole to frog ஆகிறதுலேயே வந்து thyroxine plays a crucial role ரைட்டா, which we call metamorphosis right, metamorphosis. Okay,